Come and see how I make ants climbing a tree a Sichuan dish in the future. It's so delicious and visually appealing. The method is complete and incredibly simple. You can learn it in just one look. Let's see how I do it. Ants climbing a tree, ants climbing a tree. So how about our tree today? What to choose? Hey, look carefully. Today we're choosing sweet potato noodles. The noodles have a particularly chewy and smooth texture. And it absorbs water very well, so when we stir-fry it, it also not easy to break. Our actions today are also crucial. We don't want the water temperature to be too high. It's easy to break, so we shouldn't lower the price too much. If it's too low, it also. If you can't brew it properly, I'll teach you a little trick today. First, prepare half a pot of boiling water. Prepare one more. Half cold water. Oh dear, if we mix it together like this, it becomes warm water. Then we poured it in. Let it soak for half an hour, ignoring any ants. Tree ants climbing trees. For these ants, we'll choose minced meat with a 2:8 fat to lean ratio. Next, we'll deal with him. Put a little less of this inside. Light soy sauce. Let's sprinkle some pepper on it. It removes the fishy smell. This Shaoxing wine, like the one with the cap, let's have a small sip. Half a spoonful is enough. From now on, we'll do this. Give him a massage, not a massage. If you coat the meat with a starch slurry, it will be too tender and won't taste good. Let's give it a base flavor first. This will help maintain its delicious taste. We've already soaked the vermicelli. Come and take a look. Have a look. Is she particularly willful? When? Hey, let's put him in a container. We've already drained the water from the glass noodles, but remember, we shouldn't stir-fry them directly like that. If the color of the vermicelli isn't nice, it will stick to the pan. Let's treat him first. We put each fan on a plate. Next, we went inside. Let's add a little dark soy sauce. Let's have some more of this. I just mix the cooking oil together like this. I distribute here every day. Sharing cooking experience and tips might be of some help to your culinary skills. Could you please follow me to encourage and support me? Thank you for your support. Look at you, you've become like me. This level is fine, whether you're at home or not. Whether you're stir-frying or braising vegetables, the first step of greasing the pan is crucial to prevent them from sticking. What does mean? Here's the pot, let's give it to it first. Heat the pan, then pour in some cooking oil. At this point, let's rotate it to check the temperature inside. The oil temperature is a bit high, we shouldn't. We give. He locked. Why? Next, let's go. Add some more cooking oil. Oh, you can use it to fry a fish. It won't even break the skin when you fry an egg. I need to give you a receipt now. We're here. Hey, put the minced meat in the pot. Just follow my method and tear some meat at home. Tear a slice of meat. Even diced or shredded meat won't stick to the pan. This minced meat. When we stir-fry, it's not enough to just cook it until it's done. It needs to be cooked like this, you see? His hands are all oily, like mine, so tingly. We've prepared these scallions, ginger, and chili peppers. Let's put them inside. Finally, we put a spoonful of tofu sauce in the bowl. Just keep cooking it for him like this. Saute the scallions and ginger to bring out their aroma. Red oil from fermented soybean paste. We stir-fry it like this. The aroma will be even better when it comes out. Look at this chili oil now. After frying it, let's add a little bit. Don't add too much water, just the right amount. Next, we'll keep the seasoning simple. It's single because this fermented bean paste already contains salt, and that salt we have fewer. Add a little chicken bouillon, add a little 13 spice powder. Give me a little bit, oh this. Let's add a little white sugar. Finally, let's add a little soy sauce. Hey, let's put the dark soy sauce together, and the light soy sauce too. Let's smoke together, and let's get these fans. Pouring it in is a crucial step when we're stir-frying. Use chopsticks to stir-fry, not a spatula. Use a shovel to scoop out this powder. It wouldn't be good to just shovel it. Look at our water, we shouldn't add too much. More water. We can't save the broth from all of this. We'll keep the heat on low and let it sit for another 2 minutes. At this point, They've been cooking for 2 minutes already. Come and take a look. Does the vermicelli have any bouncy texture? This ants climbing a tree game is basically complete. This time, we've already paid. Let's throw some more money around. You click on someone else's scallion flowers. Does it look pretty? If you ever want to eat ants climbing a tree, just do it like this. This recipe makes dishes that are delicious, visually appealing, and easy to make. You can learn it in just one look. Look at this fan's bouncy texture paired with this minced meat. The pastry looks so appetizing. Let me try it. Oh my, I really can't resist. I'm here, let me try it. The freshness and aroma of the meat. The chewy texture of these rice noodles, combined with this. Brothers and sisters who like this food, be sure to like and save this post.